Did you know that your body replaces about 300 billion cells every single day, and the exact molecular building blocks for this massive, silent reconstruction come directly from the last meal you ate? Every time you chew, you are not just consuming calories. You are delivering complex biochemical instructions to your genome. Today, we are diving deep into the peer-reviewed clinical evidence behind foods that heal, exploring how specific compounds interact with your cells, repair your DNA, and reprogram your biological longevity. This is BioPulse Tech, where we decode the science of human optimization. Let us begin with your brain and the incredible power of wild blueberries. These small berries contain a dense concentration of anthocyanins, which are potent bioactive compounds capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier. Clinical trials have demonstrated that these anthocyanins directly stimulate neurogenesis, the birth of new neurons, in the hippocampus, which is the brain's primary center for learning and memory. When you consume them, you are not just eating fruit, you are triggering the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that acts like fertilizer for your brain cells, protecting them from oxidative stress and improving cognitive processing speed. Moving from the brain to your cellular defense systems, let us look at the power of cruciferous vegetables, specifically broccoli sprouts. When you chew raw broccoli sprouts, a chemical reaction occurs. A compound called glucoraphanin mixes with an enzyme called myrosinase, creating sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is one of the most powerful natural activators of the NRF2 pathway in existence. Think of the NRF2 pathway as your body's ultimate cellular defense switch. Once activated, it enters the nucleus of your cells and signals the rapid production of hundreds of antioxidant and detoxification enzymes. This process helps your body neutralize heavy metals, reduce systemic inflammation, and actively repair damaged DNA strands. It is a biological shield built entirely by science-backed nutrition. Next, we must examine the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, extra virgin olive oil. High-quality, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil is rich in oleocanthal, a natural compound that behaves as a selective anti-inflammatory agent. Oleocanthal works by inhibiting inflammatory pathways in a manner highly similar to low-dose ibuprofen, but without any of the pharmaceutical side effects on your stomach lining. More importantly, extra virgin olive oil stimulates autophagy. Autophagy is your body's cellular recycling program, where your cells systematically break down, clean out, and rebuild their own damaged proteins and senescent components. By incorporating these evidence-based foods into your daily routine, you are shifting your biology from a state of passive survival to active cellular thriving. You are taking control of your epigenetics, instructing your genes to suppress inflammation and promote cellular repair. Science shows us that your body has an incredible, built-in capacity to heal and regenerate. It simply requires the correct biochemical inputs. What foods will you choose to feed your cells today? Tell us in the comments below, share this video with someone who wants to optimize their health, and subscribe to BioPulse Tech to stay at the absolute cutting edge of health science and human longevity. Upgrade your biology.